X Series Square, designed to elevate the entire home with modern quiet ceilings, offers small aperture lighting for every room in the house. As always, make sure all power to the luminaire is off prior to installation. The installation guide is located inside the housing's wiring compartment. Remove it, and you are now ready to install the X Series housing. Locate the fixture position. Install bar hanger ends into joists by screwing in the 4 factory installed screws at the end of the bar hangers. Adjust horizontal position of the junction box by sliding it along the bar hangers. Locate the center according to the fixture location. Lock horizontal positioning by fastening the 2 factory installed bar hanger screws. For new construction, no vertical adjustment is necessary because the collar will adjust flush to ceilings from half to 1 1/4 inches. The square plate can be rotated to ensure alignment with other light fixtures. First, remove the red locking screw. Then, loosen the other 2 screws. Rotate until desired position is achieved. Then tighten the 2 screws to secure position. Route the electrical wires through the junction box. The splice box gives you easy access via the trap door for hassle-free serviceability, even after the sheetrock has been installed. Mark the center fixture position on the drywall. Cut the opening in the drywall by starting at the center, cutting outward, then along the inner edge of the housing. The easy sheetrock cutout and precision collars prevent overcutting, as there is no need to jump to the outside of the housing. Finish the ceiling, and now you're ready to install the collar. Collars provide a mounting surface for the trim and module and must be used during module installation. Different collars are available for different trim applications, including flanged or flangeless for new construction. Align the screws on the collar with the screw openings on the housing, then push the collar into the opening until it is secure. Tighten the screws until the collar is flush with the ceiling. You are now ready to install the module. The X Series driver is integrated directly into the module for easy access and maintenance. Align the trim onto the module and turn it clockwise until it's secure. Plug the module and the new construction housing connectors together. Place the module into the housing and press trim up until it is flush with the ceiling. Prior to installation, ensure that the cam lock is in the open position and the tilt slider is at 0 degrees. Plug the connectors together between the adjustable module and the new construction housing. Push the module up until the retaining tabs click and engage with the collar. Using the built-in lever and slider, the adjustable module can be rotated and tilted to direct the light. Push on the slider to tilt. To rotate, hold the lever and rotate the module. Once the desired module position is achieved, lock the gray rotation lever to secure the module position. Align the clips on the trim with the corresponding openings in the collar. Push the trim into the collar until it is secure.